Welcome to my daily dog walk, guys. Spoilt with an absolutely glorious day yesterday. Today is not as nice. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out the featured section for the Try On channel. Make sure you're following me on Twitter, Instagram and TikTok for all of the latest. All of that is on the link tree below. So make sure you click on that. There's also lots of other goodies on there. I've got a little Amazon shop full of all my favourite products on there. Just all sorts of stuff on the link tree. All sorts of moisture related goodies. Yeah, so it is so windy today. I mean, what on earth is going on? I was definitely ready for the summer, or ready for the spring, but wow, I honestly wish I'd worn a scarf today. It's all blustery around my neck and a little bit chilly, but I'm out nonetheless. I've already been to the gym and done a nice leg day. Leg day is my favourite at the gym. I just love training my legs and buns and just can't get enough of that. I bathed Lady and Luna yesterday, trimmed the little bits of Luna's fur that need it, the buns, the paws, and clipped their claws, so they're all spick and span. They're all ready for the spring. Okay. They're all ready. Ooh. It was really nice earlier. When I went to the gym earlier, it was actually sunny and beautiful, and it was not windy. So I'm not sure what's happened between now and then. It honestly looks like it could rain as well, which is not really what I'm up for right now. Oh. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to get blown away today. So today I'm going to get on with some content and some cam, and I'm going to catch up on all my messages. And I also have to get ready. I have to find some outfits for my Babe Station shift, which is tomorrow night. It's a cam shift with a TV section or two in it. So for all of you that have been asking, when am I next on TV? When am I next on TV? Tomorrow night. And next week I've got a Monday and a Wednesday. A Monday full TV, a Wednesday web. So there you go. There you have it. I'll probably have to pop a little. I've got like an Instagram story for sort of all the Babe Station updates. So you might want to make sure you're following me over there, so you can just easily click on it and work out what dates I'm on. It gets quite long when I've got 100 people asking me and I have to respond to you guys individually. I do try and pop it out there on my socials so I don't have to do that. Yeah. Anyway, I honestly feel like I want a scarf and gloves on today. My neck is freezing. Oh. Oh. That is one chilly wind. Is one very chilly wind. Oh. Oh. I like it when it's warm. Much Luna. I'm much more of a heat dweller than I deal with the cold. So yeah, I cannot wait for it to be consistently warm. I think it caught me out yesterday a bit. I'm going to put my hands in my pockets on that note. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and you can catch me later for some cam. You can message me on the socials or on the fan page for Skype bookings and things like that as well. Hope you have a lovely day. See you later. Bye.